In front of me is DOOGEE S61 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. Begin by selecting one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and launching it. Then click on Home button and open the second one. This time though, open it in the background. To do that, using Trick's navigation, use this button on the left. Now decide which app you wish to use on the top half of your screen and click on the icon of it at the top. Lastly, select Split Screen and tap on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!